Today, I'm going to be putting you guys onto this quick beauty maintenance routine, including hair, nails, lashes, as well as skin. So if you're interested, then stay right on this video. Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be doing a very quick beauty maintenance routine. Nothing too serious, nothing too deep, honestly. I just needed to get my hair in a wig because I feel like I've been over manipulating my hair to create content. My front hair has been breaking, and you know what time it is. It's time for me to go back to wigs. So here I'm basically washing my hair. I have a full video of how I wash my hair, which I'll be linking now. You can check it in my description box. So this is basically me just washing my hair, getting all the dirt from creating so many contents. So yeah, just watch this. So basically, I'm just deep conditioning my hair. This deep conditioner is holy grail. Like, it softens your hair, it strengthens your hair. If you've always been manipulating your hair, I just need like something to restore back your curls, I would definitely recommend this. It does the job very well. I love the outcome of my hair. My hair was so soft and very easy to manipulate. So this is my hair after I have done my LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and conditioner. I've added water. I use my deep conditioner, and I sealed in that moisture with my shea butter. So yeah, this is basically me just loosening the hair. So now I've gotten my hair loosened out. So I'm trying to like show you guys my length. My hair has really grown, guys. Like from last year to now, I can really see the growth. Like it's giving. I'm so happy for this growth. So yeah, I'm just basically showing you my length, my hair length. So yeah. So this was me trying to basically try to make my hair, and I feel like, what was I even thinking? Trying to make my hair by myself. I had to call my cousin to help me to make my hair because I don't know what I was doing at this point because I was not even getting the line straight. So yeah, I just quickly went to call her, and she helped me to make my hair. So basically, she's just helping me to line my hair, like to part my hair because I can't really see the back of my hair. So yeah, after that, she'll just complete making the hair. So here she's basically sectioning my hair. She's sectioned my hair into like 4 places, and now we're doing the cornrows. I really love big cornrows. I don't know if I'm the only one that loves it because small cornrows, they always like affect my edges. So as you can see, the way she's making my hair, she didn't really pick my edges because I don't really like so much tension on my edges. So yeah, so this is her making the last part of this hair. I'm so happy. Like, I've been sitting down there for a very long time. I'm so glad I'm done making this all back. But guys, can you see my forehead? My forehead game is just coming out. Like, forehead gang, give you a forehead girly. Leave a comment in this comment section. I'll be there to answer you. So yeah, basically I'm just showing you like the close-up version of how she's making my hair. As you can see, it's so neat. You guys should, I will recommend her. You guys should check her out. I'll be leaving her details in my description box. If you want to make your hair, she's always available to make your hair. So guys, see how clean my scalp is, guys. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. There's no so much tension on my hair, and I'm loving it so much because am I the only one that when I make my hair in hairdressers, they always drag up my hair and my back hair will always be paining me. Well, as you can see, this is the final look. I love my all back. It just burned on my face. I can't see my face. So this is the wig we're going to be using today. I'm basically just brushing it, and then I'll be wearing it. So yeah, we're back in the wig game because the natural hair girly is no more there. I'm trying to grow out my edges, so basically that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm basically using this clip I got from a supermarket to just clip my hair to remove the hair from my face because we're about to go down. Like we're going to do a skincare. I'm going to show you how to do skincare and everything what I use on my face. Like guys, my face was something else before, but now it's so clear. I'll be leaving all the deets on how I cleared my face in my next video. But for now, I'll be trimming my brows. I'll be showing you how to trim your brows. Basically, I love trimming my brows with the razor. I just use the razor blade. First of all, I use my tweezers to just push my hair forward and then line it before I now go on with my razor blade. So the razor blade is just to remove like the excess hair around there. As you can see, I don't really have hairs on my brows, but I'm just trying to like make it lined up, remove all those excess hairs under there. So when I'm doing my makeup, it's quite easy to do my brows. So yeah, that's basically it. So let's get into skincare. Now I've been using K Brothers for a long time and it has done wonders on my skin. Like my skin has been giving, it's been glowing. Like I don't stand for nonsense. I tell you guys the truth. This is holy grail. Like it's helped my skin even out, remove dark spots, remove acne. Like if you have seen my skin before, you know that there has been a great change. I would definitely recommend it. So this is me basically. I don't clean my face with my towel. I always do air dry, like I allow the natural air to dry my face. I don't really use so much products on my face, but I've been using this aloe vera and it's been helping my skin. Like, can you see that glow? Like when I added aloe vera, it just brightens up your face. Now let's go into sunscreen. I've been using this Black Girl sunscreen and I've been doing this method, this three line method which you use on your face. And guys, even if you're inside, you're indoors, always you wear your sunscreen. Like sunscreen helps your skin a lot. I know you guys will be like, I don't really need to wear my sunscreen, but guys, I've been there and I'll tell you that sunscreen really does a lot of wonders to your skin. So me, I'm just basically like massaging it in my skin, allow it to get into my skin. Always must put your sunscreen on your neck, guys. Don't forget your neck and your ears, they're also parts of your skin. So yeah, always add your sunscreen to your face, your neck, your ears. Those are very important parts to add to sunscreen too. And can you see this sunscreen is black girl friendly, like it doesn't leave any white cast. Just wait, you see how it blends so well to my skin. This means basically just fanning myself to remove all the excess. So now I will recommend for my lip care, I use the Vaseline lip care. So I've been using this for a while now, and guys, can you see how it helps my lips to be so moistured and succulent, like so plumpy. I love this Vaseline. That's very much all about skincare. Next we go into lashes. So I'll be using my lash extension. I'll be using this glue by Excel, and I'll also be using my lashes I got from a nearby supermarket. So yeah, I'll be using the strip lashes. I'm not going to be using those clustered ones. I'll be using this one which you just add to your eyes. I know I've been seeing this trend. It's been everywhere on Instagram, TikTok, on which you can use this clustered one. I would love to try it out, but for now I just stick with this one. Basically, I'm just using this bonding glue to like add to it, then I dry it up. Like I blow breeze on it so like it dries up, and then I add it to my lashes. And guys, this thing holds so much. Like the hold of this lashes on your skin is really good. I'm just brushing out my lashes and then I add my strip lashes. I was so scared doing this, like, oh my god, it's been long I added lashes to my skin, and yeah, I love the outcome of this. It just gave my face an uplift, which I love. Am I the only one that feels like when I have lashes on, like I'm on another level? Like I feel so feminine, I feel so good, like I feel so ladylike when I'm with lashes. So basically, I'm just adding glue to the next lashes to add to my eyes. So yeah, so this is me applying those lashes. Like, can you see the difference? Me with lashes and without lashes. There's a huge difference. It just pops your eyes up, and I love the outcome of this. So yeah, I will always recommend you use your lashes with a glue, not a permanent glue, just a glue that can temporarily put your lashes on. So now this is basically me just removing some hairs that are growing on my chin. I just twist them up. I know some people they do this shaving of face. I don't think I can ever do that because I'm scared. I'm like, how will I want to shave my skin off when I can just easily pluck it off from the roots? So yeah, so I'm done with my skin. Can you see the difference from when I washed my face to now when I'm done my skincare? There's a lot of difference. So yeah, I'm basically just combing my hair to show you the final look of all the beauty maintenance I've done, and I'm loving this. The hair is given, the eyes are given, the skin is given, the lips are given. So yeah, I'm loving this outcome so much. So now let's get into nails. I'll be using this nail set I got from a supermarket. I love everything they have here. Like they have a complete set of everything you can think of using to do your nails. So basically, I'm just filing my nails, removing all the excess things that are not supposed to be there. So yeah. So after that, I would just be trimming my nails. I'm not really a acrylic babe. I don't really fix nails. Am I the only one that doesn't like fixing nails so much? Like I don't feel right with nails on my nails on my hands. I just like my nails to just breathe. Like I like my natural nails so much that I don't want to add anything to it. So yeah, so me, I just basically just trim my nails, file it, and then just I like to look pretty as it's supposed to be. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I also did my legs, but I won't be showing it on camera. So basically, this is what I do to get myself ready for the coming week and how I get together as a woman. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'll be there in the comment section to answer. Like, share, comment, subscribe to get my videos to reach my target audience. So when you do all this, you help content creators to reach their target audience. So please comment, like, share, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.